Welcome back, folks. Today, let's talk about the crucial link between nutrition and our bones. Ever thought about how what you eat affects your bone health? Well, it's a big deal. Foods rich in calcium, vitamin D, and protein are key players in keeping those bones strong and healthy. So, next time you're choosing your meals, remember, it's not just about taste, it's about giving your bones the nutrients they need to stay strong. Stay tuned for more bone-boosting tips. Ever wondered what keeps our bones strong and sturdy? It's a powerhouse combo of calcium, phosphate, and vitamin D. These nutrients are like the dream team for bone health. But hold up, there's more to the story. Protein, calories, and micronutrients are the supporting cast that play a crucial role in building and maintaining our bones. So, let's give our bones the love they deserve for all of life's adventures. Did you know that it's not just about chugging milk for calcium? Research shows that our bones need a balanced diet with essential nutrients. So, whether you're enjoying yogurt for breakfast or loading up on leafy greens for lunch, every bite counts. Let's keep those bones happy and healthy together. Remember, it's all about nourishing from within. Ever thought about how your energy intake affects your bones? It's not just about the quantity, but the balance. Too little can lead to bone issues, while too much isn't a win either. So, let's find that sweet spot for strong and healthy bones. Remember, it's all about balance, folks. Ever thought about how your weight affects your bones? Being underweight? Red alert for osteoporosis. But hey, being overweight? Some protection. It's all about that sweet spot, keeping your energy balanced. So, next snack or meal, find that balance. Ever wondered how our bones become strong superheroes? Well, during those pre-puberty years, protein and calcium are the dynamic duo behind the scenes. Research shows that protein is crucial for peak bone mass, but here's the twist, it's the combo with calcium that truly rocks our bone health. So, remember, it's not just about protein alone, but teaming up with calcium for bones of steel. Stay strong, folks. Ever wondered about the link between protein and bone health? Turns out, protein does boost bone mineral density, but not fracture risk. The real magic happens when calcium joins the party, especially as we age. So, remember, it's not just about protein alone, calcium is the real MVP for strong bones. Stay tuned for more bone-boosting tips. Ever heard that high-protein diets lead to calcium loss? Well, let's set the record straight. Research shows that protein not only boosts calcium absorption but also benefits bone health. So, whether you're enjoying a steak or a bowl of lentil soup, remember, protein isn't just for muscles, it's crucial for strong, resilient bones. So, dig in and nourish those bones. When it comes to preventing osteoporosis, calcium is the real MVP. According to the dietary reference intakes, during those crucial growing years, like pre-adolescence to adolescence, boys and girls need a whopping 1,300 milligrams of calcium daily. That's like giving your bones a VIP pass to the strength club. So, let's show some love to calcium and keep those bones strong and healthy. Ever feel like your bones are screaming for more calcium? Well, you're not alone. Many of us, especially females, are falling short on this vital nutrient. But fear not. Calcium isn't just in dairy products. We've got a whole array of calcium-rich foods to choose from. Think almond milk, cereals, and even sneaky snacks like crackers. So let's give our bones the love they deserve and load up on these delicious calcium sources. Did you know that dairy isn't the only calcium source out there? In the US, different demographics have varying intake levels. But guess what? Calcium-fortified foods are here to save the day. Whether you're sipping on a calcium-packed smoothie or munching on fortified cereal, every bite brings your bones one step closer to strength and resilience. So, let's keep those bones strong and healthy, folks. Ever thought all calcium was the same? Think again. It's not just about bioavailability, but the actual amount in your food. It's like a direct deposit of strength for your bones. And here's the twist, absorption efficiency depends on how much you need. Your body's like a calcium radar, honing in on those mineral-rich goodies when you're low. So, load up on those calcium-rich foods for strong bones. Flexed biceps. Ever wondered why not all calcium sources are equal? It's like a nutrient tug-of-war in your gut. Dairy's great, but some veggies and legumes hinder absorption. Don't fret, bone buddies. Crack the code to bone-boosting bliss by multiplying the daily value by 10 on nutrition labels. Voila! You've got your calcium per serving. Ever wondered how to find calcium-rich foods easily? Well, here's a tip from the FDA playbook. Keep an eye out for labels that say excellent or good sources of calcium. It's like having a treasure map to delicious and nutritious treats right at your fingertips. So next time you're grocery shopping, look for those magic words and give your bones the love they deserve. When it comes to meeting our calcium needs, getting enough from our diet is key. But let's face it, life happens, and sometimes our meals fall short. That's where supplements come to the rescue. Whether it's through foods, mineral water, or handy supplements, calcium is crucial for bone health. And get this, even antacids can boost your calcium intake. It's like strengthening your bones from every angle. Water alert! Did you know calcium levels in tap water vary across the US and Canada? Every drop counts towards your calcium goals. Now, let's talk supplements. Calcium carbonate and calcium citrate are the dynamic duo. Remember, carbonate loves food, while citrate flies solo, especially for achlorhydria. Stay hydrated and get that calcium in. Droplet Glowing Star. Ever wondered how to ensure the quality of your supplements for bone health? Here's a pro tip: look for the USP designation on the label. It guarantees quality and consistency, which are crucial for your bones. Remember, when it comes to bone health, consistency is key. So, keep an eye out for that USP seal next time you shop for supplements. Your bones will thank you. Ever wondered about the secret ingredient in our bones? Well, it's phosphorus, the powerhouse of strength hidden in hydroxyapatite. And guess what? Getting enough phosphate is easier than you think. It's in almost all foods. But hold up, those phosphate-loaded soft drinks? Not the best for your bones. So, let's keep our bodies strong and skip the bone-unfriendly beverages. Phosphorus, our hidden treasure chest of strength, right inside us. Ever wondered why soft drinks are a no-go? Well, studies reveal they can replace nutrient-rich options like milk in our diet. It's not just about phosphates, it's about the bigger picture, affecting our calcium intake. But here's the kicker: it's not just what we consume, but how our bodies absorb phosphorus. The quick absorption from cola drinks can sneakily impact our bones. So, think twice before you sip. Are you at high risk of osteoporosis? Well, those sugary drinks might not be your best friend. High sugar intake can weaken your bones, increasing the risk of fractures. So, before you take another sip, think about your bone health. It's time to swap those sugary sips for something that'll keep your bones strong and healthy. Ever thought about bone health beyond calcium and vitamin D? Well, get ready to meet the microscopic superheroes iron, zinc, copper, manganese, and boron. These trace minerals might just be the secret agents fortifying our bones from within. But hold on, the mystery is still unraveling. Research is just scratching the surface of their potential impact. We're like detectives piecing together the puzzle of bone health. Ever wondered how nutrients, calcium, and exercise team up to boost bone health? Some studies suggest promising changes in bone density, but the mystery remains unsolved. And let's talk about fluoride, not just for teeth. It's like a double-duty superhero, strengthening bones too. So, next time you sip that fluoride-rich water, remember, it's not just your smile it's looking out for. Hey bone buddies! Let's dive into the world of nutrition and bone health. Calcium, phosphate, and vitamin D are key, but don't forget about protein and trace minerals. Balance is key, so enjoy calcium-rich foods and stay active. Let's pledge to nourish our bones for strength and resilience. It's never too late to prioritize your bone health. Hey everyone, before you leave, I just wanted to remind you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. We're building a vibrant community here at EatRightTactics, and we want you to be a part of it. Together, we're rewriting the script on what it means to live a healthy and fulfilling life. So, this is Roy, signing off from EatRightTactics. I wish you health, happiness, and a plate full of goodness. Take care, and see you in the next video.